Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about tax tips for recent married taxpayers. Let's get into the video. This is the time of year for many couples to tie the knot. When you marry, here are some post-marriage tips to help you avoid stress at tax time. First thing is notify the Social Security Administration. Report any name change to the Social Security Administration so that your name and Social Security number will match when filing your next tax return. Informing the Social Security Office of a name change is quite simple. File a Form SS5 application for a Social Security card at your local Social Security office. The form is available on the Social Security Administration website by calling 1-800-772-1213 or at local offices. Your income tax refund may be delayed if it is discovered your name and Social Security number do not match at the time your refund is filed. The second thing is notify those paying you as a contractor. If you are a self-employed sole proprietor filing your business income and taxes on a Schedule C and you have a different name, now that you are married, notify anyone who has been issuing you a Form 1099 NEC under your Social Security number about the name change. This will prevent a mismatch with the IRS. The third thing is notify the IRS. If you have a new address, you should notify the IRS by sending in a completed Form 8822, change of address. If your state has an income tax, also notify the appropriate tax agency. The fourth thing is notify the U.S. Postal Service. You should also notify the U.S. Postal Service when you move so that any IRS or state tax agency correspondence can be forwarded. The fifth thing is review your withholdings and estimated tax payments. If both you and your new spouse work, your combined income may place you in a higher tax bracket, and you may have an unpleasant surprise when you prepare your joint return for the first time. On the other hand, if only one of you works, filing jointly with your new spouse can provide a significant tax benefit, enabling you to reduce your withholding or estimated payments. In either case, it may be appropriate to review your withholding, W-4 status, and estimated tax payments, if any, for the year to make sure that you are not going to be under withheld and that you do not set yourself up to receive bad news for the next filing season. Even if no adjustment is needed with your tax withholding, you will still need to advise your employer of your new marital status and the name change if applicable. The sixth thing to do is notify the marketplace. If you or your spouse have health insurance through a government marketplace exchange, you must notify the marketplace of your change in marital status. If you were included on a parent's health insurance policy through a marketplace, then the parent must notify the marketplace. Failure to notify the marketplace can create tax filing problems. If you or your company needs help with preparing your tax return, feel free to contact me. My contact information is listed below in the description of the video. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.